Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily recall troops inside a Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to do a demonstration here. I'm going to send some troops over to attack this level 4 Grey Wolf. So I'm going to click on attack, and now I'm going to choose my team. I'm going to click on deploy bottom right hand corner of the page here. Now if we want change our mind and want to recall the troops, just follow this line and then pick on your hero like so. If I can choose him, yep, so I've picked a team member, and then here you can see a recall button, so go ahead and click on that recall button, and above that you can see how many seconds until they're going to reach that level 4. So click on recall, and then it'll say expedition, recall troops on marching to destination, and now we need to use the buy and use some gems to do this. So I'm going to click onto that, and then there you go, these troops have been recalled.